Radhika, Director of Little Berries Preschool, Purushottam, Saukapet and Vyasalwadi branch. Today we are here to do the Kalam records with the 200 participants of our students with the 1000 square feet of the MDF puzzle board. So which the kids has been painted and assembled with the help of the parents. So this event has been done in the occasion of the Vana Mahotsav to save trees and plant trees.
Here, I am Kritvi's father. Today, more than the kid, I am teaching myself that we have to plant trees and save our environment, because this is the only gift we are going to give our children. So, for me, more than teaching the children, it is us. We have to learn that we have to plant trees and save our environment, because without trees, it won't be possible for us to live in the future.
My son's name is R.N. Keshav. He is studying in play school in Little Berries, Purushottam. I am very happy that at this young age, he is receiving this Kalam record. And a big thank you to the school also, because it is a very tough job to handle the kids and do such a big thing. They are taken a lot of efforts, and I am very much happy to say this. And also good thank you to the non-teaching staffs and other organizers who are taking such efforts to this, because these little kids, they won't be at a single place. They are running here and there. In spite of that, they have taken a lot of efforts to do this big record.
The Little Berries Montessori Preschool is proud to announce that we are conducting Vana Mahotsav rally, having 200 plus kids, having 282 MDF boards.
For organizing this wonderful Kalams World Record event. Thank you.
Thanks for Kalam World Record.
To Kalam World Record also.
So much Kalam World Records. We really enjoyed.
Thanks for giving this opportunity, and all the parents and the entire team.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.